Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a working method to get free YouTube Premium in 2026. So let me just show you guys the YouTube app on my phone. And as you can see guys, when I go to buy YouTube Premium, you can see it's expensive. But look, I can become a YouTube developer and get it for free. So I'm going to press create developer account, and it's just like doing all the stuff to get me free YouTube Premium. So let's see if it goes through, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it for yourself. So as you can see, I'm going to press bind and continue, start using premium, and bang guys, I got YouTube Premium for free. So I'm going to show you how to get it. So it's actually pretty simple. Just get on your phone and go to the website matrixmods.com. So in the search bar guys, we're going to type YouTube. And obviously, guys, the first result is the free YouTube Premium. So I'm going to go ahead and press download. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. We just need to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. All right, so as you can see, guys, it says almost there. Additional files are required for free YouTube Premium. So these are the apps you have to download. You can see like TikTok, it says download for 30 seconds. We got Travel Town, which says download and reach level 9. So this one's a game, so I'm just going to press continue, and it takes me to the App Store, and I just got to play it until I reach level 9, guys. So that's all you got to do, so that's pretty easy. So yeah, I don't know what apps are going to be in your country, but you just want to make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So as you can see, I'm just like playing through this right here. It's pretty easy. So that's how to get the free YouTube Premium, guys, 2026 method. So as you can see, I'm just like playing through this or whatever. It's pretty easy. So you just want to make sure you download some of the apps. And I mean, YouTube Premium is quite expensive, so that's why I made the video. So let me just type in YouTube Premium cost. And as you can see, guys, it is going to be around $13.99 a month. So if you guys do want to pay that, that's up to you. But personally, I do not want to pay $13 a month for YouTube Premium. So that's why I'm trying this out, guys, because it is super amazing. And you can actually get free YouTube Premium. So super cool method, fully works. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these apps, whatever they may be. You know, Travel Town, TikTok says download for 30 seconds. We got Swag Bucks says install, register, down Monopoly Go, and complete your first event. So I don't know what apps are going to show up for you, but it's very easy. And if you press help, they even have a video here you can watch, which is pretty cool. So I think this is a great opportunity. If you guys are tired of paying for YouTube Premium, you can actually get it for free now with this method. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out if you guys are in the market to get free YouTube Premium in 2026, guys. So it's super cool. And this totally works, guys. As you see, I got the YouTube Premium right there. It says welcome to YouTube Premium. So this actually works. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you want to get free YouTube Premium forever. But yeah, this is so crazy, guys. And no jailbreak is needed for this method or anything like that. So you guys can just straight up do this, and it should work for you guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super amazing, and it's totally updated. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to get free YouTube Premium, be sure to try this out for yourself. This is super cool, guys. And peace out.